Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, today we will learn an interesting thing, which is STEAM of number 6. STEAM means science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. So let's get into it. Science. Observe and talk about the material of a gift box with your peers. Technology. Watch the video to understand the concept of 6. Engineering. Use button and glue to make number 6 on the sheet. Arts. Draw 6 beads on an abacus and color it in the workbook. Mathematics. Count the legs of your 3 friends and share the number with your friends. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.